Very good. And for that, you get a magic star. Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Online teaching of English to Chinese students has gotten really big in the Philippines. There's literally like hundreds of thousands of Filipinos doing it right now. Chichay started doing it about 3 months ago, and last night she agreed to be filmed while doing one of her classes. She works for one of the biggest online companies in China right now, and most of her students are kids or young adults. Now keep in mind that she never had any previous experience with teaching English online. After college, she worked at a call center for a couple of years, one of the major transportation companies over in the United States. So this was a first for her. All right, so enough with me babbling, let's check it out. This is online teaching in the Philippines. Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams.
This is Chichay.
And we got a little bit of a treat for you today. Online teaching to Chinese kids and young adults has become really popular in the Philippines. And today what we're going to do is just give you an example of your typical class. This is going to be Chichay interacting with one of her students named Anna. It's one of her favorite students. So without any further ado, here we go.
Okay, Anna, say I am ready if you're ready to start our class. So is unicorn ready, my unicorn? Alright, very good. So let us start our class, okay? Okay, very good. So, welcome to 5-1 Talk. This is teacher and I will be your teacher today. So Anna, since you are ready now, I want you to listen to me and eyes on me, okay? Okay, very good. Now let us start. Okay, I want you to look at the picture, Anna, and see in the picture. Who is this? That is Grandpa. How about this one? It's Grandma. Very good, Grandpa and Grandma. And let us read the title of our lesson. Okay, Anna, repeat after me. Walking in the park. Okay, very good. Say that again. Walking in the park. Very good. Next. Okay, Anna, are you ready to sing the B-I-N-G-O song? I am. Very good. Now let us grab our unicorn and let us sing the B-I-N-G-O song in 3, 2, 1, sing. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, yay! Anna, I will give you first. What is this? Magic star. Okay. Happy New Year. You're so cute. Okay. Now let's sing the song now. Are you ready? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, sing. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Okay, Hannah, I will now give you your magic star. So that's our lesson for tonight. See you again soon, Anna. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, you draw a heart again. Bye bye, Anna. Bye bye, unicorn. Bye bye.
So how long have you been teaching English online?
So it's already almost 3 months.
So you've been teaching English to Chinese people online for 3 months. How do you like it?
I like it a lot because I'm enjoying. I actually don't like teaching, but when I started it, I realized that I like kids.
Oh, okay. What do you like the most about it?
Thing that I like the most in teaching English is to share the knowledge that I have to the students who wants to learn the English language, because it's hard. It's really hard for when you're beginner. It's really hard to learn the English language. So I also want to share what I've learned in my school to other kids or other people.
And what do you like least about it?
Maybe students who just mimicking the questions and every words that I say, and I think that's all.
Okay, and since you're teaching to Chinese students, and this was Chinese summer vacation for the kids, so they've been gone for like a month, over a month, more than a month, and they should be coming back soon.
Yeah.
And so your peak days are Sundays, and you got to work 13 hours?
a.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Okay, so that's about 12 hours, 12 and a half hours. Wow, that's crazy. So with your incredible 3 months experience so far on the job, would you recommend it to other folks who are looking to make a little sideline money or a little money?
Yeah, I highly recommend it. Especially because before I'm working in a call center, and my time is just sleeping, work, so I don't have time anymore with my family and friends. So if they want to have time with their family, the online English teaching is a very good job.
Except on Sundays.
Except on Sundays.
Except on
Weekends.
which is family day in the Philippines.
Yeah, but that's okay. As long as the weekdays, I can still spend time with my family during weekdays.
And tell us about some of the props that you're using here.
Oh, yeah. I'm using this one, my unicorn headband.
Headband, unicorn headband.
And this is my favorite one.
The
magic star.
The magic stars.
Also, and last but not the least, the letters.
Letters.
A, B, C, D.
A's for apple. We got those at where?
In where?
Kang's, which is Chinese. It's
Chinese.
It's a Chinoy company. We got those there, huh? Everything comes around.
Yeah. Chinese.
So you have gotten regular students, and it's the parents who are watching what's going on, and they're impressed by what you do, and they book more classes with you.
And also Anna got inspired with my unicorn.
Yes, you guys, now Anna has a unicorn
Yeah.
too. Her mom got her a unicorn because of your unicorn.
This one.
And that unicorn is actually from the United States.
Yeah.
Brought that back in my luggage from Florida this year because you are a unicorn. All right, well, thank you very much for your time. Thank you everybody for tuning in. This is what it's like to teach English online to Chinese students. This is Ned. That's
Chichay.
Chichay. And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Bye.
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 Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
That's all.
All right.
Bye.
All right, so that's basically it. I hope that gave you some appreciation and understanding of how online teaching works. It's not an easy job, it's a difficult job, especially when you're working with kids 4, 5, 6 years old. Luckily, China's known for their dragon moms, and they're usually hovering in the background. So when the kid gets distracted by something, the mother usually comes up and gets their attention back to the class, sometimes by smacking them on the forehead, like happened last night. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Until next time, this is Ned, and this is Unichi. This is the unicorn. And we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Okay, I'll try that again. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.